you. Thank you.
It's so exciting to be here today to see Emirates showcasing 100% sustainable aviation fuel SAF capability on our iconic A380. At Airbus, we are doing whatever we can to support the development of sustainable aviation fuel. First, by ensuring our aircraft will be capable of flying with up to 100% SAF before 2030, up from a 50% SAF blend today. Second, by continuing to improve the fuel efficiency of our aircraft, which will help make SAF more economically viable. We are working with airlines, we are working with suppliers, we are working with governments, we are working with fuel producers and other key partners across the whole world to encourage the production of these alternative fuels.
So today I'm here representing the Engine Alliance. This SAF demo flight is powered by the GP engine, which is an Engine Alliance product. This is a joint venture between GE Aerospace and Pratt & Whitney. Today this engine is fueled 100% by sustainable aviation fuel, and we're going to be demonstrating that it works just like Jet A or Jet A fuel. Right now, the supply of SAF or the use of SAF is about 1% of global demand. It is through events like these that we raise awareness and kind of push the boundaries on experimental flights and push towards getting that standard in place and more SAF usage, and also encourage the industry both here and globally to produce more SAF because there's certainly a demand for it with the ambitious goal that the industry has set for itself.
To support UAE's effort to decarbonize aviation, ENOC collaborated with Neste to procure, blend and test HEFA SAF and successfully refueled this 380 with 100% SAF. No doubt that this demo flight of 100% SAF will build on ongoing researches and provide confidence that 100% SAF, sustainable aviation fuel, will be the future or the way forward for aircraft engines.
Environ has made a part of the fuel that's going into the aircraft today. And so we've made this fuel over in the US with a proprietary technology, and we're very happy to be able to demonstrate that that actually makes a fuel that is 100% drop-in renewable, so that we can use it in any plane, anywhere across the world. So the fact that we're actually doing this in an existing aircraft, I think is really important, and that we can show that the fuel is compatible with the current infrastructure. And I think that's why this demonstration is so important, that we can actually show that to the world.
Using sustainable alternative fuel, no doubt, will help us reduce the emissions and fuel. Today's flight will demonstrate the A380 ability to use 100% sustainable alternative fuel on one of its engines, which will give us the confidence in the aircraft manufacturers and the airline to depend on this type of fuel in the future.
Neste is extremely proud and honored to have supplied the SAF to Emirates for this demonstration flight. It's globally recognized, widely recognized, that aviation needs to decarbonize in order to safeguard its license to operate and grow. This flight is so important because it demonstrates that you can operate an A380 on 100% SAF made out of waste and residues, reduces the CO2 emissions over its life cycle by 80%.